Hello, this is a quick start user guide for compareDocs. I'd like to start by recommending a few settings. If we go to settings, then what I want to make sure is that we have show moves turned on, flatten field codes turned off, enable improved track changes turned on, and also comments turned on. So now we've got those in the right places. Just start by grabbing a couple of documents, putting them into the relevant fields in compareDocs. I can switch these around by using this button if I need to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the document output as Word and also Redline. And I'm going to include a summary report. So I'll click compare and then view as a new document. So compareDocs will compare these two, open up Word, and then we'll see the Redline result of the comparison. So we can see there that we have the standard rendering set for a Redline report. And also if we scroll down to the end of the document here, we'll have attached our summary report where we can see the source documents used, the rendering set, and any comparison statistics as well. We'll just pop that closed, and what we'll now do is we'll look at this as a track change document. We don't need the summary report for this. And again, we'll just click view and view this as a new document. So we compared and open up in Word, and we can now see that this track change, we can go through and accept or reject these changes. For example, we see here this numbering has been changed and the knock-on effect it's had in the subparagraphs. If I right click on here and then click reject this, we can see that the numbering then reverts back and it reflects that changes further down as well. Also for moves, we can see here that we have a move. If I go to follow move, it will take me to the other part of the document where that text has been moved to. So very useful if you have a large PDF and the text may have been moved sort of 50 pages or so. Also here in tables, we can accept these deletions. And we see here that it's a very straightforward process editing this table, and also it resizes itself at the end as well. So handled very, very well. And that's sort of the main functions of track changes. So we'll now pop that closed and save that. And now we'll take this, we'll leave this as a red line, and actually we'll turn this into a PDF output for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm now, instead of opening it up as a new document, I'm going to select email copy. So what this will do is it will compare the documents, create the PDF, and then it will open up a window which will allow me to select the files that I want to send out in my new email. So I'll select the comparison result and also the modified document. I could also copy this to clipboard if I wanted, and I can also edit the email subject. Copy to clipboard would be useful if you just wanted to paste these documents into an existing email you've already written. So we'll just click OK, and we'll see that the new email opens up with the files attached and that subject. So we can send this off to whoever we need to. Just pop that closed. Finally, the last part here is so obviously we've been using Word documents. We can use PDFs, etc. as well. But what we can also do is we can just select text. So if I take this text from this document here and then paste that into the original field, we can see here that it comes up as clipboard text. And I can also open up this second document, copy and paste that text, and then paste that into the modified field. And we'll just go for a Word and Redline here just to show you the differences. We'll go view as a new document. So what this means is I've taken this from a document, but we could have taken this from any PowerPoint, Excel. It could be taken from a web page. It just means that you can just select a portion of text rather than having to do a whole document. As we can see here in these few paragraphs, we had a deletion in there. So it just makes it nice and easy for you to pull text from different file formats. And that is a very quick user guide for compareDocs. I hope you found that useful. Thank you.